Kubor nag-Snem jong unongsan Hima.
National President Jong ke National People's Party pada balongru Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai Kubor minta kasngi ke nyotrik unai leber arajar arpulai hadin ke jingelang penbam smai ke Menteri ke Sorkar kepala penlong haraj bhavan ulaong bakum ke Sorkar kan yale ban Pynleit Jingmut ki benta ki bakala Trei ki Snem bala Leit kum kilat ban Pynkiew ki Kham nangta ban Pynkiew ke kot ke khia ke puli puthi bat ki Kham ki bayadai bat ke imlang ke saalang bat ruban phai khmat shaki khna samla Kham tam hakayo Kham yo jam ulaong susu bahaki Snem bala Leit hadin bala pendap ya ke jingbam smai ne ka liang jong ke Sorkar kala perkhat badang bun ki jingduna agar kompen biang ye ki tiar kitar badan Kham ki baginthum nado ki basdang hado ki ba biang tam kalong ka ai ke badan Kham ban Pynkiew bha bad yakini la paw bah ki Snem bastanshar ke Sorkar MDA la bun ki ba orlong bad Trei Kham bad hado ki skim ru ki bala Trei Kham de ke Sorkar de bakala ban bud din bad kandang yai bud din ka benta ka jingmen toy jong pat ba hakabaya day bat kajing bha Kham ni ki menteri jong ke Sorkar na kaliang jong Conrad sangma ulaong ba yakani anle hapo arpusau ni hadu sapu prakenta bat ya kerteng jong ki menteri katanat ki kampo yengru an sapen bena hadin.
And we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare. And of course, we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.
Why two deputy CMs?
There has been precedents in the past where there have been two deputy CMs, so there's nothing wrong in it. And also it is a strong representation of the different areas and regions of our state. It sends a positive message of inclusiveness, and that is the reason why we are going ahead.
When will you distribute the portfolios to the cabinet ministers?
Within the next 24 hours to 48 hours.
Sir, name of the Home Minister.
In the next 24 hours to 48 hours.
Sir, what will be the 5 main points that the engaged to government will
See, there are no 5 points. There are many points. In fact, there may be 500 points. But I just told the same question that you have asked. You have asked in a different manner, and I'm repeating the answer that infrastructure, of course, when it comes to